Uncompromising. Uncompromising. Uncompromising means inflexible or not willing to change one's opinions or ways. For example, Bellatrix Lestrange was an uncompromising character in the Harry Potter series. John stated uncompromising terms in the letter. The judge remained uncompromising as she refused to acknowledge opinions that are not grounded in truth. So next time someone is not willing to change one's opinions or ways, why not use the word uncompromising instead? Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.